Find an affordable luxury car. Who would want to buy a luxury car? Average earners would rather hire cars like a luxury Mercedes for very special occasions only. Luxury cars are a little more expensive than the compact cars that we see on the streets. Driving one means spending money on fuel costs and maintenance repairs. Despite the current economic situation, some people still buy luxury cars because, aside from being their means of smooth transportation, they also provide a status symbol that makes them feel important. Wiser consumers, who feel they should also get themselves a luxury vehicle of their own, should know how to find an affordable luxury car. There are 3 kinds of affordable luxury cars that you can seek out: entry-level models. These are essentially brand new luxury cars that retain all the features and gizmos that can be found in a premier model. These are often sold at a much more reasonable price tag to entice clients. Once they get used to the smoothness of the ride, they will most probably opt for the premier model as their stature improves. Either way, just driving the brand, like a BMW or a Lexus, even if it is an entry-level model, says a lot about his sophisticated taste and, of course, his current monetary value. Repossessed cars. If you want something almost as new as the entry-level model luxury vehicle, visit banks or auctions for repossessed luxury vehicles. Repossessed means the original owner of the luxury vehicle cannot afford to continue paying for the ride, which is why the bank or whoever financed the auto loan got it back. You get to pay only what the original owner left off, and you still get a car which is slightly used and with a more recent model than the next option. Used luxury autos. Here is a much cheaper version than the entry-level model luxury vehicle. Used luxury autos are typically well maintained and perform as well as the brand new model. Aside from that, you get the initial outlay slashed almost in half. No one would assume that the second-hand luxury auto was never yours initially. The branding is still there and most probably the smooth drive as well. Just choose from a reliable car dealer so that you get to know the history of the car before buying it. Luxury vehicles have every right to command steep price tags. Most of them carry a maximum of 6 passengers. They are bought rarely for their powerful engines but rather because of their maneuverability and suspension. They are a product of sensible engineering that is lightweight and balanced. Aside from that, their impeccable interiors are enough to convince you that it will be a comfortable ride wherever you are headed. Take note, the price of luxury does not end when you pay for the car. You have to set aside budget for fuel, maintenance, and registration costs to keep it running as smoothly as the day you bought it.